Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making DIY nail polish slam. So I have my makeover whatever, and now I'm going to be using it, and we're going to make this thing so fun. So now let's pop these inside. So as you guys can see, they're neon. That's not the most important part. So now, wow, oh my gosh, it's so neon-y. Stop passing, car. Literally, all these cars pass all the time I'm doing any video. Like, they don't find any time to like ride instead I'm doing a video or something. That's weird. So now it's collecting, normal, easy, fun. So after we're collecting it, we'll see if it's slammy or not. So this is how it looks like. It was a success, and yeah, so let's go to the next one. It doesn't look bad at all. It looks amazing. So these two were quite a success, as you guys can see. I can also poke this one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this cute little cutie slime. So now, bye, peace out. I'm gonna see you in my next video, and I'm gonna be even making more of this. So you guys like it. Bye, peace out. See you in my next video.